and jump today.
You did some homework and you skipped some rope today?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That is wonderful, and that's a good exercise, right? Right. So, right. Today we're studying a new topic, and before we start the new topic, we would want to look at the vocabulary which is in that topic. Right. That is wonderful. All right. So, before we start, tell me, what did you enjoy about today? Anything particular, nice that happened or interesting that happened today? Do you have anything that happened today that you want to share? Continue with our vocabulary. All right, let's start with number one. Number one is about number one. Number one, what are we saying?
Shop.
That is wonderful, right? And then we've got now this one, which is the
Shopping center.
shopping center. That is wonderful. All right, and we have the second one.
On sale.
On sale. Very good. Sale. Very good. Right. So what is on sale? So what can you give us an example of on sale? Give us an example of an on sale. Right? So for this, which is 200, right? So we've got something which is being sold for 200, and they say they cancel the money, right, and reduce it to 150, right? To 150. That is on sale. It is on sale, right?
Mm.
So it is reduced to 150. Or we have something that is, let's say, something that we have, okay, we go to a certain shop to buy.
Mm.
So we've got pizza, and they say, right, like Pizza Tuesday, and they say if you buy, you hear it saying buy two, right?
Yeah.
Get one free, right? So get one free, right? So that's a sale promotion. It is on sale for promotion, right? So like if you buy two and then you get three, so you get one for free. So you buy those ones, you get 3 boxes of pizza, right?
Mm.
All right, so that is wonderful. So now let's go to the next one. Now, let's go. Number there.
The new book. Clothes. Clothes.
Clothes
Clothes.
are
Is our sale now.
are on sale now. Sell.
Sale.
Very good. The book, right, is on sale now. Or we say the clothes are on sale now, right? So the price is reduced. Okay? Right. Right. So that is wonderful, right? Which is this one, the American version. All right. Now let's look at number three.
Number 3 is product.
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 Yes, product,
Product.
which is a noun. Product. For example, right. Oh, so I am doing. I am making some shoes, right? Do I know how to draw a shoe here? Right? I hope this is right. So I am making some shoes, right, to sell. So my product is my products are or is shoes, right? Right? And then I am making shoes, and someone will say, which products do you sell? Right? Shoes, right? I sell shoes. So those the things that we make, right? The things that we make. Very good. This is a product. Right. So now let's go.
Server.
Let's look at it again. Serve.
Serve.
Yes. Right. Serve. So those people like the waiter, right? Do you know a waiter in a restaurant? Right? Right. The waiter in a restaurant, when they come food, they are serving you your food. They are giving you your food, right? That is called serve, which is why it is a verb. Right?
Mm.
They are giving you something. They are giving you your food. So that is why it's called to serve. May I serve you, sir? May I, right, help you? So if I am serving you, I am helping you. Huh? Oh, right. So to serve somebody, right? And so this one is have your meals served, right? Have your meals served, right? Which is to have your meals served, right? It is to give you the meal, the food, all right, and then to serve somebody. Another way it can also be literal. Right, all right, now let's continue to number 4. What about number 5?
Serve rice.
Very good, right? You took from this one and you put this one is vice, right?
Mm.
Right. So you put this one as vice, which is from here, right? Which is okay. But now, if we have this word with sir, it's called service, right? This word is called service. It's not service, right? Because I know you take this word. This word it only is vice, right? Like vice president, right? Or vice secretary, right? But now this word we pronounce it as service.
Service.
Yes, a good service, right? Service. That was good. Okay, so just remember it, just to say service, and then this one is vice, right? Vice president, right? Or vice, right? Which is good. Okay, so remember this one is service, service, service. No problem. Yeah, now let's look at number 6. What do we have in number 6?
Number 6 is change.
All right, so we've got come again.
Change.
All right. So we've got this word again, which is N G E. Right? So what is this word? Can you see the difference between 6 and this word? Right. So right, and because I'm writing my pen is red, right? And you say, oh, I don't like red. You like what color? What color do you like besides red? You say you like green, okay? Then I take green, right? Now I am writing with a green pencil, right? Which is I write again the word, right? So this taking the color is to change, right? To change, right? To have from red to green, right? Taking one color to another, which is to, right, moving from one color to another is to change, right? For example, this is what I've changed the color from red to green. But this one is called charge.
Change.
Charge.
Church.
To charge, right? Charge.
Charge.
Very good, right? That is to charge. So we have two part of these ones. You can use this word in different ways, right? So right, okay, right. You want to come and learn some swimming lessons. I am a swimming instructor. I will charge you how much? $100, right? $100, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So to charge is to pay, is to say for money. Here, I can charge for money, right? Right.
Yes.
I will charge you $100 for the swimming lesson, or I will charge you $100 for my English lesson, right? So that is to charge. I charge you $100 for my lesson. Okay. So and then another way we can use this word, right? So we can also use it in when you're when the battery is low on your, we plug our phone, right?
Yeah.
We plug our phone. So that is to when you plug your phone on the, right, like on the wall, it is when we have that thing of saying, right? It is charging, right? To charge my phone, it is to put power or on our electric motorbike, right? So we can also use to charge as putting power, right? And then charge for now. Right, so let's continue. Let's say again, charge. So this word
Charge.
is charge. Very good.
Charge.
Charge. Very good. And see what we have on charge. Right? Right. So now let's see. So we have talked about money, right? And we have said charge for, right? And then for, right? Number one, charge for, right? So the restaurant euro, right? Charge £20 for, it's £20, not 20 euros, sorry. So it's charged £20 for dinner, right? So if you want to eat dinner there, you have to pay how much? You have to pay how much if you want dinner there? If you want to eat, how much?
20 pounds.
20 pounds. Very good. Right. For dinner. Yeah. And then we have the number 2, a charge off. Right?
Yeah.
Very good. Right. A charge off. So we are just seeing how we are using the word charge. So this one is here all about money, which is okay. Right? And then here, number 2, a charge off. We are saying there is a small charge of $20. There is a small charge of $20 for you to go. Right. Isabel, do you want to go to Disneyland? You say, yes, I do. And I say, okay, let's go. There is only a small charge of $20 for entry, right? Or a small charge for $20. For what? To enter the Disneyland gate, right? So that's okay. And then now let's look at number 3. Robert, read number 3.
Number 3.
Yes, yes. No, the 3 parts here.
Change.
Extra charge, not change. Charge.
Charge.
Right.
Charge.
Very good. So it should charge. Right. Could you charge my phone? Right. Could you, right, for example, an extra charge, it is worthwhile. Right. So we were paying $20, right, for Disney to get in, and then you want to go on that ride. Maybe you like those roller coaster ride, or you say, ooh, and you go. And then say there is an extra charge of on those rides. So you have to pay another $5 from the $20, right? An extra charge if you want to do something, right? Okay. For example, also let's say you like pizza, right? So you've got pizza, and we have what do you have? Some, let's say, some chicken pizza, right? Chicken flavored pizza, right? Chicken, we've got some chicken, and we've got some lettuce, and cheese, right? You want cheese on your pizza, right? You want cheese on the pizza, and they say, okay, we can give you the cheese. We can put the cheese on your pizza, but because the pizza is $20, for us to put the cheese, you need another $3. So the pizza will be $3. The extra charge is $3, right? So the extra charge is $3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have a question on the extra charge, or did you understand? Right. So, right, for example, you want what else? So what did we say? You want the pizza, right? And the pizza is how much? $20. So another extra charges we want this, you have the extra charges, right? So we have, this is the extra charges. We have cheese. For extra charge for cheese, that is how much? $3. and you want also we have extra chicken, right, on top, right? That will be
Mm.
$5. So and then we've got $5, and then we have what else? Some toppings, right? So that is some toppings for $1, right? So choose what you want to put extra on the pizza. What do you want to put? Choose, and then we see how much is the extra charge. Choose what, and then we see how much is the extra charge. Okay, choose the cheese, right? So we say $20, but $3. What else can we choose? And the toppings, so plus one. So our pizza will become $24, and that is our extra charge, right?
Yeah.
So $4 is the extra charge, right? For us to have the pizza. Okay, so now let's continue to number 7.
Number 7 is reasonable.
Very good, reasonable, right? A reasonable price, right? A reasonable price, right? That is, we are saying it's not too high, it's not too low. It is okay, right? Not too high, but, right? Usually, people, when they say it's a reasonable price, it is when they are looking at if it's too high, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Usually, that is when we say, oh, this is a reasonable price. We have never seen people, right, complaining that the price is too low. If the thing is okay, the quality is okay, and they say the price, oh, no, I can't buy it if the thing is okay. Well, now let's go to number 8. Number 8,
Number 8 is
check out. Very good. And the check out. So what is the check out? What is a checkout? Huh? What is the checkout?
uh,
And another
uh,
word can we use for checkout?
uh, mm,
Can we say a point where we want to pay, right? At the
mm,
paying point where we pay for our goods, right?
mm.
Yeah. The checkout, is it a place where we pay for our goods? Okay. Checkout is the pay, right?
Mm.
Okay. Now let's check a number, and the next one is number 9.
Number 9 self-service.
Self-service, right? For example, that is good. So, what is a self-service? Have you seen a self-service?
Mm. Um, um,
A self-service. right? A self-service. So what do we have? Something that is a self-service whereby, for example, usually maybe in Walmart, if you've been in Walmart, whereby now we have a self-service whereby you can now use those machines to pay yourself, right? You take
Yeah.
your item and say, "Ding, ding, ding," right? A self-service, right? Machine, right? Where you are now, you don't need another person to like tea for you and tea, right? Putting the money, and they say it is $500, and then you give them the money, say give them the 500, and they give you the
Yeah.
change, right? You don't need that anymore. You can just do, 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 do yourself. You take your plastic bag and you put your things, and that is a self-service. A self-service, it is whereby you do things yourself.
Yeah.
Right? And then here, what do we have here? One. Number 9.
Self-service cafe.
A self-service cafe. Very good, right? So if it is a self-service cafe, right? What do we have? You can put food or drinks, right? By yourself in your place.
Mm.
Then you've got the next one. Part 2. Bullet point number 2.
Number 2. Self-service salt bar.
Right. So self-service salad, right?
Yeah.
Salad bar.
Salad bar.
Yeah, salad, right? A salad.
Salad.
Salad. So a salad is very usual that we have like we can have a fruit salad or vegetable salad, right? Right. So I'll show you a salad next time.
Number 10 is shut.
Very good. So the saying shut, close, right?
Mm.
Very good. So which is close, right? Shut. And then we've got the part 1.
Keep your eyes shut.
Keep your eyes shut. So we can say keep your eyes shut. What other part we can use for shut? What can you make a sentence using shut? Please do make another sentence using shut.
Um, shut the door.
Pretty good. Shut the door, right? That is another very good sentence. Shut the door, right? Please shut the door, right? One last one, and then we can go to another sentence. Let's look at the next one, number 11.
Tell.
So,
Store.
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 Good. Right. So what is a store, right? So that is a store. Right. So now let's look at. So tomorrow I want you to tell me how we can, like a stool, for example, it is where a chair, for example, stand selling hot coffee, right?
Mm.
So that will be a stand, right?
Mm.
That's quite good. But that is quite good. But we can have even a small area of a small area set off by wall for special use, right? So anything that can be set to put some 1, 2, 3 rows, and then we can now start selling, right? And then we have the number 12.
Offered.
Afford,
Afford.
afford,
Afford.
good, afford, good. All right, so that is saying, right, afford, what is you have, right? Afford is for example, can you afford to buy me, right? Right, to buy this car, right? Can you buy this car? If it means can you afford to buy a Tesla? It means, do you have the money to buy this car, right? Can you afford? It only means, do you have the money to buy this car, right? Can you afford to something like this, right? Can you afford something, right? Time, money, right? That is to time. Can you afford to go to Beijing today, right? Okay, so you can afford something. So I can't afford to lose this. I can't afford to miss this train, right? Time. I can't afford to miss this train. That is time. Okay, and then afford to do something, right? Afford to do something. I can't afford to, right? Can't afford to do something, like for example, I can't afford to go hiking today, right? A lot of time, a lot of work to do, right? Okay, that is wow. Absolutely right. So now let's look at number 18. 18.
Good value for money.
That is wonderful. Good value. Good value, right, for money.
Good value.
Right. It means, right? It means that if this is $100, okay, you look at it and you say, is it leather? And you say, yes. And then, is it strong? Yes. Right? Do you like it? Yes. So that will be good value for your money, right? That will be good value for your money, right?
Yeah.
Very good, right? The products are really good value for money. That is our sentence. The products are really good value for money. All right. So that is wonderful. And the number 14. Let's look at number 14.
Number 14 is in is in pe- in
It's good. Try it. Try it. In in in
experiment
inexpensive.
inexpensive.
Very good. Inexpensive, right? Inexpensive. So we have two words here. But inexpensive, right? Which is okay. Let's start with right the first word, right? So we've got here inexpensive, which is not 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 costing a lot of money, right? Not costing a
Yeah.
lot of money, just one, right? So it is not costing a lot of money. So what is the word for costing a lot of money? If we, this one is not costing a lot of money. So what is the word for costing a lot of money? It's just simple, the opposite, but we remove the in, which is x, sorry, which is expensive.
Expensive.
Yes. So this is the word for costing a lot of money. That is not. So we are just adding the inexpensive, inexpensive. So it's just inexpensive, inexpensive. Right.
Inexpensive.
Very good. Right. So and then we have the last one. And this is 15.
Number 15. Basket.
Very good. Basket. So what is a basket? Well, where we go when we are shopping, we got the thing that we hold here, right? And we've got some wheels here, wheels. So and then we put, but this one is more of a trolley. But now let's look at a basket. This one is a trolley, sorry. So what is a basket? Where we have this, sorry, we have two, two, and then we have two, two, and two to hold our hand. So that is a basket, right?
Yeah.
So where we put our things when we are shopping or when we go to the market, that is a basket. Right. So that is all. Review the words in for you. It is number one, we said shopping mall. Number two, we said on sale. Number three, we said product. And number four, we said serve. Number five, we said service. Number six, we said charge, right? Charge, right? So remember,
Chart.
yes, remember there's a difference between charge and change. Charge, right? It is for money. Change to blue, right? To have. And number seven, we've got reasonable, right? It is something which is okay, not too high, not too low. Then number eight, we say checkpoint, right? Where we pay for our goods by ourselves. Oh, no, where we pay our goods can be by ourselves or by someone helping us. Then we've got number nine. Okay, number nine, we said it is self-service. Self-service, it is whereby we are paying the goods buy a sorry, number 10, we got shut, where we are closing something, right? For example, we shut your eyes. And then number 11, we say stool, right? Stool. Very good. So that is a small shop, for example, where you just put some walls. Then we've got number 11, 12, which is affordable. And number 13, which is to value. Very good. And number 14, very good. And lastly, basket. All right. So that is the word pronunciation of today, right? Okay. Right. So now it is time for me to say goodbye. Next time. Have a good night.
Have a good night. Bye bye.
Bye.